Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between the Great Depression and a recession. Both are periods of economic decline, but they differ significantly in terms of severity, duration, causes, impact, and recovery. Understanding these differences helps us better understand economic cycles and financial history. Number 1. The Great Depression began after the 1929 stock market crash and continued throughout the 1930s, whereas a recession can occur during different periods and is usually much shorter. Number 2. The Great Depression affected economies across the entire world, whereas a recession is often limited to certain countries or regions. Number 3. The Great Depression was an extremely severe and prolonged economic crisis, whereas a recession is generally less severe. Number 4. The Great Depression lasted for about a decade or more, whereas a recession usually lasts from a few months to a couple of years. Number 5. During the Great Depression, GDP declined by approximately 25 to 30% in the United States, whereas recessions typically cause much smaller GDP declines. Number 6. Unemployment during the Great Depression reached around 25%, whereas recession unemployment rates are usually much lower. Number 7. The Great Depression was caused by factors such as stock market collapse, bank failures, reduced money supply, and poor policies, whereas recessions are often caused by monetary tightening, economic imbalances, or external shocks. Number 8. Thousands of banks failed during the Great Depression and deposit insurance was largely absent, whereas modern recessions occur in a more regulated banking environment. Number 9. Global trade fell dramatically during the Great Depression, whereas recessions may slow international trade but rarely cause such a collapse. Number 10. Consumer demand remained depressed for many years during the Great Depression, whereas consumer spending usually recovers more quickly during a recession. Number 11. The Great Depression experienced severe deflation with falling prices, whereas recessions may involve mild inflation or limited deflation. Number 12. Government response was initially limited during the Great Depression and later expanded through programs like the New Deal, whereas governments and central banks usually react quickly during modern recessions. Number 13. Social safety nets were very limited during the Great Depression, whereas modern economies often provide unemployment benefits and welfare support. Number 14. Recovery from the Great Depression took many years, whereas economies generally recover from recessions within a shorter period. Number 15. The Great Depression caused widespread poverty, hunger, homelessness, and social disruption, whereas recessions usually create temporary hardships with less lasting damage. Number 16. The Great Depression is considered a rare once-in-a-century economic catastrophe, whereas recessions are a normal part of the business cycle. To summarize, the Great Depression was a rare, deep, and long-lasting global economic disaster, while a recession is a shorter and less severe economic downturn that economies generally recover from more quickly. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.